the next video will be a luxury haul again. And yun, sana titigan natin siya ng personal ngayon. So, samahan niyo. Welcome back to our channel. This is your Ate Marian signing in. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you another luxury haul. So actually, I went shopping last week on Christian Dior. So I have 2 items to share with you. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Yes, last week guys, nag-shopping na naman ang ate nyo. By the way, if it's your first time here on our channel and if you like our videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you will be notified if we have new videos, and of course if you have any suggestion, please comment down below. So as you can see, I'm alone today kasi yung mga sisters ko, they have errands to do. So this is my first time filming alone, so please bear with me. Guys, finally, I have new things to share with you. So I have a small bag and I have this bag. It's really special. So as you can see, diba, ang ganda ng packaging niya. First, I think I will open this one first because ito may backstory to. So I will tell it to you for later. So as you can see, this is the packaging. Yan, diba, ang ganda. Oh, tapos may pa-star pa siya. Actually, this is metal. I think you can use it as a keychain if you would like to. Ayan. So, yan. Tapos gold embroidered din. Stamp ba to? I think it's stamp gold stamp something. So, yan. So, as always, they have the ribbon here. Na tie na natin yan so we can see the thing. So, actually, this item is a bag. It's another bag. Yes. Ay, Diyos ko. Ayaw matanggal. So as you can see, this is the receipt. Ayan, ganyan siya. And of course, this is my new baby. Oh. Diba? So, I think hindi ko na siya iaantay. So this is my first time opening it as well. So, yan. Pataas ko siya para makita niyo. Ayan. So, it comes with a sticker ng Dior. Hindi ko siya matanggal. And, ayan. So, of course, as always, they have dust bag. So, for this time, we have white. This is a small bag, actually. So, ayan siya. Actually, this is the saddle belt pouch. It's in burgundy color. And this one is yung oblique canvas nila, if I'm not wrong. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Tapos, ayan. Actually, you can wear it as a belt. And then, you can use it as well like a handbag. Or you can just use it as a pouch. Actually, I'll be doing another review. I like to use it first. Then, I will let you know if it's worth the price. So, the retail price of this one is, I think it's 890 euros. So, it's like around 900 euros. So, it's almost like around 50,000 pesos. Yes, for a small bag. But I think it's worth it. It's really nice, diba? This is actually my first 2 items from Dior. So, I'm so excited. So, sa loob niya, we'll open it for you. So, ganyan siya. This is the calfskin yata to na belt. It's one size, by the way. So as you can see, you have two different colors of this one. You have the classic blue and then the burgundy color. But the thing is, we don't have the blue one. But I think I love more the burgundy color. So as you can see, you have the Christian Dior here, the stamp as well. And then, of course, as all the bags of Christian Dior, meron kayong authentication card. Louis Vuitton, they don't have it. You have like pamphlet lang. So, here you go. Ganyan siya. I think, yeah. So, I will just put it in here. Kasi, this past few months actually, nagugustuhan ko yung mga maliliit na bag. Kasi, it's easy to carry. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, you have super convenient nito. Actually, this one is made in Italy. And this one, you have para sa mga coins, or if you like to put your ID or something, para hindi magasgas with the keys if ilalagay mo siya dito. So, it's enough naman. Kasha actually yung phone ko. I don't have my phone here kasi nag-video nga. But kasha siya. But yung ano ba to? Yung malaking iPhone, hindi siya kasha. Kasi it's tamang-tama lang siya sa mga normal phone. I have the iPhone 10, by the way. Ayan siya. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. Yeah, I really love this one. I'm looking forward to buy it kasi matagal na siya sa wish list ko. So, ayun, finally, diba? Tapos nag-iisa na siya nang bumili kami, so talagang napabili talaga ako. Ayan, so put na lang siya natin dito. So, the other one is these big bags. So, yun. Actually, this one have a backstory. So, nung pinakita ko siya sa husband ko yung bag, he told me, pinakita ko tapos nabanggit ko pala na, ano ba to, na may match siya na slippers, na mule. And then, pinakita ko sa kanya online and he told me bakit hindi ko dabilhin. Sabi ko, ang mahal. Kasi for just a slippers, tapos, it's around 550 to 600 years, depend on the color that you like. Diba? Isang apak mo, 1 euro agad. Kaya yun, sabi ko, wag na lang. Pero, ayun nga, the other day, nung ginising niya ako ng maaga before he goes to work, sabi niya sa akin, halika, mag-shopping tayo. Tapos, yun, we went to Dior, tapos sinukat ko yung slippers. Then, ayun, nagustuhan ko, tapos nagustuhan niya din, then he bought it for me, diba? He's so sweet.
No.
Ganyan din siya. So, kung makikita nyo, may another bag sa loob kasi nga uulan nun. So, nilagyan nila ng ganito. Normally, they have plastic but hindi pa naman siya umuulan. So, sabi ko, lagyan na lang ng ganito just in case. So, yun. Tanggalin natin siya. So, for this, yung ribbon niya, nawala ng husband ko kasi siya nag-uwi. Kasi, I need to go to work. So, it's okay. Ayan. So, this is the other one. So, as you can see, so, as I told you, this is the Christian Dior D-way mules and embroidered cotton. So, for this time, we have gray na dust bag. So, as always, we have 2 for slippers. Tag-isa talaga nila. Then, this one is the authenticity card. So, I'll keep it in here na lang. Siguro I'll keep it on my bag na lang din sa my Dior din. And, of course, ayan siya. Actually, yung SA, hindi niya prepare na. Ewan ko kung bakit. So, hindi niya nalagyan ng ribbon or anything. Normally, they need to. I think nagmamadali yata siya. Pero hindi ko masyadong bet yung SA na nag-attend sa amin that day. But it's okay. Yan. I'm size 39.5 actually. It's true to size yung mga chinelas, yung mga sizes nila. So, here I go. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, as you can see, hindi lang naman siya dito, ano ba to, cotton. Sa back niya, it's leather. So, super comfy din niya. Tapos, dito niya, malambot. So, comfy. So, for walking, it's good. And then, at the back, ganyan siya. Ito is para hindi ka madulas. Pero, I think, sa presyo nito, I will put rubber sole in here kasi natuto na ako. I have the Valentino rack stud and hindi ko siya pina-resole. Ay, pinalagyan ng rubber sole. So, ang dali niyang magasgas. Kasi, I think, this is leather as well. Hindi lang ako very sure. I think so. Kasi, medyo malambot. So, madaling masira. Hindi mas madaling masira. Mas delicate lang siya. So, ayun. Niloloko nga ako ng husband ko. Pambahay ko na lang daw. Para hindi daw masira. But, yeah. Para magamit ko siya tapos na mas comfortable, I'll put rubber sole na lang din. So, yun. Siguro, I think I'll bring it next week na lang or tomorrow. May recommend sa akin yung SA, yung isang SA na where to get rubber sole. So, I'll try them. Kung maganda, I'll bring the my Valentinos as well. So, yun guys. So, this is the items that I got in Dior. So, I hope you like it. And I hope you enjoy as much as I do. So, bye! Loves!